Hi everyone, my name is Justin. I'm the creator of OSnap, an iOS application for making time-lapse and stop-motion photography projects on your iPhone or iPad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a very basic stop-motion project in OSnap. The first thing I want to do is lock exposure, white balance, and focus. So I'm just going to swipe up here, and I'm actually going to tap just about right there in order to set the point of interest, and then I'm going to double tap each of these settings in order to lock them. I'm in OSnap Pro 2 right now. If you're in OSnap or OSnap Pro, the other two versions of OSnap, you can lock these settings using the 3 padlock icons on the lower right. So now that I have locked all of my settings, the one other thing that I want to do is I'm going to use the onion skin overlay for this particular project. So I'm going to tap here. Now what the onion skin overlay does is it will give you a ghosted image of either the most recent photo taken in the sequence or the first photo taken in the sequence. Generally speaking, most people that are making stop motion will want to use the most recent photo that is taken in the sequence, and that way you can move an object and you can see how much you've moved it, and it really helps keep your shots aligned. However, for this particular project, I'm going to use the first image in the sequence, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. Okay, so I'm going to use the first frame, I'm going to return to the home screen, and now I'm going to snap my first photo. And now I'm just going to move this car just a little bit, okay? Now you can see the ghosted image of the onion skin. The reason I chose the first image in the sequence is because what I'd like to do is I'm going to move this car as if it's driving down into the distance and then turn it around and come back, and I want it to end up in the exact place that it started, and in that way I can make a looping animation where the car looks like it's constantly going down, coming back, stopping, and then restarting the animation. So I'm just going to move the car and then snap a photo. And then I'll move it just a little more, snap another photo. Just a little more, snap another photo. A little more, snap another photo. A little more, snap another photo. Now, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch the entire process, so we're just going to end this video and then I'll restart it when I'm getting close to finishing. Okay, here we are again. I'm almost done, and I'm just simulating the car sliding just back into its original position. I'm just moving it a little, and just a little more, just a little more. That looks pretty close, and then I'm just gonna take a couple more images to make it look as if it paused in this position. Now I'm done taking photos, and we can just tap in the lower left and we'll look at a preview playback of what our stop motion looks like. Here we are on the playback screen, and I'm just going to tap the play button. And there you can see we've got our first stop motion. You can see that at some points I stood in the light in different positions and caused a little bit of a lighting flicker during the stop motion, but not terrible, not terrible. So that concludes this tutorial on creating a basic stop motion. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Thanks everyone for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, leave us your thoughts in the comments, or you can email us at osnap@osnapphotoapp.com.